I heard that some people will cross the Sirat like lightning. Who are those people? Well, let us break it down. What is the Sirat? Sirat is the way. But when we talk about the Day of Judgment, the word Sirat has a particular meaning. And this refers to a bridge over the edges of hellfire. So, in order to go to safety, you have to cross the bridge. Now, this bridge is unlike any other bridge. First of all, on the Day of Judgment, when you cross the bridge, it would be pitch black. And people will be given light according to their good deeds. And this is mentioned in Surat Al-Hadid and also in Surat Al-Tahrim. The believers will be given light in front of them and to their right. The bridge width is also variable. So to those who have good deeds, it would be very wide. And for those who have bad deeds that are more than their good deeds, or have no good deeds to begin with, it would be as sharp as a blade and as thin as a hair. Thirdly, the speed of people crossing it also is variable. It varies. Some, as the Prophet told us, alayhi salatu wassalam, cross it in a blink of an eye. Others cross it in the speed of lightning. Others cross it as the speed of wind and hurricanes. And others cross it as if they are on the back of horses that are very fast. Others jog across. Others walk. And unfortunately, others walk and crawl sometimes because they fall. And others don't make it at all. Hooks from hellfire comes and picks them up and throws them in hell. So, who are those who are so fortunate to cross it in a blink of an eye? This is all dependent on your good deeds. The prophets stand at the side of the Sirat, of this bridge, and they supplicate to Allah by saying, Allahumma sallim sallim. Oh Allah, make things go in safety and in good terms, because they're afraid for their people. Those who have good deeds, their good deeds will illuminate and give them light so they can see where they're walking and they do not slip and fall over. Their speed, the width, the light they're given, all is dependent on their good deeds. And we know that good deeds erase bad deeds. And this is why we tell you to always charge your credit. We always tell people, Akhi, make an extra umrah. Give charity for the cause of Allah. Pray few more rak'ahs before Fajr as night prayer. Maintain fasting Mondays and Thursdays every week, and the 3 white days if you can, every month. Try your level best to engage in dhikr 24/7. So when you're walking from your home to the masjid, don't think about the debts you have or about the things you want to do Instead, just say Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. As this elevates your level in paradise, increases your good deeds, erases your bad deeds. So that when it comes on the day of judgment for you to cross the Sirat, then you would be in good hands with the grace of Allah.